Hi everyone, welcome in math class. This is the week number 2. So you must have the math in learner's book and you have to open this page number 5, between decades. Between decades. So you have to write the date on your books 8, 9, 2020. So here is the unit 1A and today's topic was between decades. Lesson number 2 and page 5. Today we learn the decade numbers. Okay, we learn decade numbers, and second we learn about the midpoint numbers. Decade numbers and midpoint. So here is the 100 square chart. You can find the numbers easily, but you have to memorize the numbers from 1 to 100. So you can find the numbers easily and you can keep these numbers in your mind. So this is the 100 square chart. So now as you can see, the numbers start from 1 and finish this row at the number 10. This number start from 11 and finish 20. This number start from 21 and finish at 30. 31 and 40. The number start from 41 and finished at 50. So here as you can see, the blue numbers, okay, the blue boxes, okay, start, and the green boxes, okay, the light green boxes finished number with 0. Okay, so I told you about in the last topic, these are the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So these are the multiples of 10. Okay, so you also can call it decade numbers. You know, our number is finishing at the 10. Okay, so every year, okay, finish after, and you can see the 0. Okay, so sorry, so this is the number finishing at 10. Okay, so this is our first decade. Okay, 20 is our second decade. So here you can find the decade numbers. Okay, multiples of 10 and the decade numbers. So let's talk about the midpoint. So here we have the numbers from 0 to 10. Okay, so you can also read 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here are the numbers. So our number started from 0 and finished at 10. So this is our first decade number, 10. So now what you're gonna do, so you have to find the midpoint. Midpoint means the middle number of this row. Okay, this is row from 0 to 10. So you have to find a number, midpoint number. So what do you think? What is the mid number of this row? So as you can see, this is our midpoint, because when you count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is our midpoint number. Okay, so as you can see, this is number midpoint, the middle number. So let's go back. Okay, so I have these numbers from 1 to 10. So what is the middle number? 5. Okay, what is the middle number from 11 to 20? So here is the number 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So here is the number 15. So this will be the middle number. So let's talk about again. This is the number 5 and this is the middle number. So here is the 100 square layout. You have to memorize, okay? So you have to find the decade numbers, the last number, okay? You can see the 0, okay? The decade numbers must be 0. The last number should be 0, 10, 20, okay? So these are the decade numbers. And what are the midpoint numbers? As you can see the red box, these are 15, 25, 35, okay, 45. So these are the midpoint numbers for each row, okay. For example, this row started from 71 and 80. So you have to find the number midpoint. This is the 75 midpoint, the middle number. So let's do some exercise. Here is the first question. This is the first question on your learner's book. You can see 70 and 80. So here we have two numbers, okay, 70 and 80. We have two multiples of tens, okay, 70 to 80. So I wrote the numbers after 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. So now you have to find the middle number between 70 to 80. So what is the middle number? Yes, 75 is the middle number between 70 to 80. So you have to keep in your mind, okay, when you see the 5, so it will be middle, and when you see 0 in the last, so it's mean it will be the decade number, okay, the first decade, second decade. Every 10 years it will be one decade. So here you can find a number, middle number, and this number will be decade number. So let's talk about between the numbers. Okay, this is the number 20 and this is the number 30. So you have to find the number between 20 to 30. So what is the middle number? Yes, this is the middle number, midpoint. You will call it midpoint, and this will be decade number. So let's talk about the multiples of 10. Okay, you know in our last class, this is very important. So what are the multiples of 10? Think 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So these are the multiples of 10. So you have to keep in your mind, these are multiples of 10. So you have to memorize, okay, the decade numbers. Okay, so this is your exercise, today's exercise, okay, page number 5. You can find the middle number, you can find the midpoint number easily by using 100 square chart. For example, I want to choose the number 80 to 90. So where is 80? The first number is 8. I have to find 8 in the first column. Yes, here is the 8. Now here, next number 80. So you have to go back. Here is the 80. Okay? And this is the 90. So you will start the row, okay? I will start from 81 to 90. So what is the middle number? 85. So you have to write the midpoint 85. In this way you can learn the 5 times table easily, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, okay, and so on. So this is your exercise. We will talk about more in our next lessons. So this is our basics thing, how to find a midpoint. So here is your homework. What you're gonna do, you have to write the midpoint. Okay, write the midpoint number for each multiples of tens. So this is so easy, and you can follow the 100 square chart. So I hope you understand today's lesson. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.